Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect to a VPN using your iPhone. So first of all, go to the App Store. In the search bar, enter Windscribe. Since I already have the application installed, I can see the open button, but if you do not, just tap on the download icon. It's completely free. And it will take you, once you've downloaded the application, it will take you to the sign up page. Just enter your email and password and that's it, you're done. It's free of cost. To connect to the VPN, tap the power icon on the top right. Once the VPN is connected, you'll see a VPN sign as it is visible on the top right of the screen. So these are the different locations that you can connect to. Now to check that the VPN is connected, go to settings and you can see the VPN is enabled. To disable the VPN, go back to the application, Windscribe, and then tap the power button again. So VPN is no longer functioning. You can check that by going to settings again and seeing that the VPN toggle shows that the VPN is disabled. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have a good day.